received this from a company called Lumary, and it's a smart ceiling fan light. B1. Now the difference between the B1 and the B2 is the B1 is white and the B2 is black, I believe. It has app dimming, 16 million colors, an app to control it with, a timer, 6 fan speeds, you got cool and warm light, voice control, so you can hook it up to your Google or your Alexa, group control, music sync, so you can put on some romantic music. You got a forward and reverse. We're gonna go ahead and open the box, look in it, install it, and play with the features. Here we go. First off, I'm stoked I have a ceiling fan in this room. This room gets so incredibly hot, it's ridiculous. Second, I am stoked that I have a smart ceiling fan from Lumary because this thing kicks butt. Everything from setting a timer to multiple different colors to set your vibe, pair it with Google or Alexa, you got a smart app you could use, you got your remote, which is right here, all kinds of cool things with this, and last but not least, it cools the room. You've got 1 to 6 speeds to choose from. Number 6 is pretty intense, actually. Yeah, I'm happy all around with this, and I'm looking forward to getting a couple more of these to put around the house. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're interested, see the link in the description, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.